And this version of Charles Darwin is from when he was already professional.
Greetings, I am Charles Robert Darwin, a student at Cambridge. I study for clergy. My true passion is exploring nature and collecting data. I am fascinated by the diversity of life and dream of uncovering it my mystery. I am Charles Darwin, a naturalist best known for developing the theory of natural selection. My research is shaped by my HSN.
And finally, the most awaited part, the evolution of humans.
The presentation of the Tarpagon. Darwin's theory of finches and the Galapagos Islands. The finches form. The beaks here, they are different because they need different beaks because lahat po sila magkakaiba po ng beaks. Kasi para po yung sa pagkain po nila.
So who is Charles Darwin? Charles Darwin is primarily known as the theory of evolution by natural selection. Fun facts about Charles Darwin. Both Darwin and Lincoln were born on February 12, 1879, but in much different settings.
Survival of the fittest. Charles Darwin, the long necks of giraffes have been a textbook example of evolution. The theory goes that as giraffe ancestors competed for food, those with longer necks were able to reach higher limbs, getting a leg or neck up over shorter animals. They needed long necks to survive and to be able to reach for their food. The short-necked ones died because of starvation.
Thank you, judges, for your Thank you, judges, for your
time and dedication.
Thank you, judges, for your time, dedication, and valuable feedback. Your insight and expertise will deeply appreciated. Thank you po.